What was the climate like in Skara Brae? What was the climate like in Skara Brae? This fascinating Neolithic settlement in Orkney, Scotland, offers a glimpse into life during a time when the weather played a significant role in daily activities. Skara Brae existed in a maritime climate, which means it was influenced heavily by the nearby Atlantic Ocean. The temperatures were generally cool, with strong winds and high humidity being common features of the weather. Due to its northern location, Skara Brae experienced relatively mild winters and cool summers compared to other areas at similar latitudes. This unique climate shaped how the inhabitants built their homes and gathered resources. The houses were ingeniously constructed into midden mounds, which are ancient refuse heaps made up of organic waste, shells, and bones. This design helped insulate the homes from the cold winds and kept them warm, thanks to the central hearths that provided heat. The archaeological evidence suggests that during the time Skara Brae was occupied, from around 3180 to 2500 before Common Era, the climate was slightly warmer than it is today. This period is known as the Holocene climatic optimum. However, even then, the residents faced frequent storms and salt spray from the ocean. Interestingly, the absence of peat deposits indicates that the area was less waterlogged than it would become in later years. Fuel sources for the inhabitants likely included driftwood, animal dung, and dried seaweed, which were essential for cooking and heating. The settlement's location on a dune system highlights how important stable coastal environments were for its residents. However, modern threats like rising sea levels and increased storm intensity now put Skara Brae at risk, much like the challenges faced by its ancient inhabitants. From an archaeological standpoint, Skara Brae offers a direct look into how Neolithic communities adapted to their climate. The earth-sheltered architecture and resource management strategies employed by the residents provide lessons for today's coastal settlements. By studying the construction techniques and analyzing the layers of refuse, researchers can reconstruct past microclimates and understand how these early communities thrived in a dynamic coastal environment. The ongoing challenges posed by climate change today mirror those faced by the people of Skara Brae, making it essential to consider protective measures in maritime archaeology. Understanding the climate of Skara Brae not only informs us about the past but also helps us address current and future coastal settlement issues.